Crazy Legs Conti with an edition of Dog Psychiatry.
Sir Snuggleworth, let's chat. Do you find having parents that are such party animals you struggle to keep up? I see. And do you find that Chicago is your true destination, or would you feel more at home with Brazil, Carnival? Very interesting. And lastly, being fed liver pate, cracked crab, lobster every day, living the high life. Is this a problem? Would you like to return to your simpler roots?
Crazy Legs Conti for Dog Psychiatry. Sir Snuggleworth has been approved and is 100% happy and healthy.
Although we've got to get him off the booze, I'm not going to lie. Sir Snugglesworth, no more Jameson.